A DeWalt 20-volt brushless 12-inch chainsaw. It's battery powered. Got it about half full of oil. It's a little oil cap. I have a 5-amp battery that I'm going to put on it. It's a nice little chainsaw. It's a little dirty. I've been cutting a few limbs just to try it out before I made the video. This locks it, and then bringing it towards you unlocks it. It's got a double trigger, so you have to push this to unlock it, and then you push the trigger. Let me bring it over here on the workbench and show you. Push that. It's very powerful. I've been cutting it for a good half hour, 45 minutes. This is a 5-amp battery. I still got full charge, so doing pretty good. My reviews on it are great. Just gonna walk around, show you where I cut previous. Cut a little tree back here. They did a decent cut on that little cedar tree. See if I can set the camera up so I can show you cutting it. I think I got the camera set up somewhat decent. I don't think this tree's gonna exactly fall because it's hooked up with vines, but I'm gonna try cutting it. Cuts through like butter. Yeah, it's still hanging. All the vines stuck up there. It did a nice, pretty good cut.